Hello everyone and welcome once again. This is the third video of chapter number 1, Science, Crop Production and Management, class 8th. My dear students, in the previous video we have seen preparation of soil, and now the second topic, that is sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. As you have studied the first step of agriculture practices, what was that? The preparation of soil. And sowing is the second step of agriculture practices. Before sowing the seeds, it is very necessary to get good quality seeds for the cultivation. If the good quality seeds are not selected for the cultivation, so you will not get a high yield of crop. That's why farmers are selecting the clean and healthy seeds for the cultivation. Okay, now selection of seeds. Here Paheli is saying something. Listen. One day I saw my mother put some gram seeds in a vessel and pour some water on them. After few minutes, some seeds started to float on top. I wonder why some seeds float on water. Have you noticed such type of situation? If you will do this experiment in your house, then also you will notice that some of the seed will float on the water while some of them sink in the water. Understood? So what is the reason? So see here, one activity is given. Activity 1.1. Take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. You can use another seeds also. Here wheat is example is given because wheat is always available in our house. Okay, so you will notice that when you put the wheat seeds in the water and stir it well, means mix with the water with the help of spoon or something, so and wait for some time, you will notice that some of the seed will float on the water. So why it is so? Are there seeds which float on water? Yes. Would those be lighter or heavier than those which sink? Why would they be lighter? So these are the questions given. So why this is so? So what happens? Damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter in weight. Understood? The damaged seeds which are eaten by some small insects or microorganism, they will not be germinate. They will lose their capacity of germination. That's why such seeds are hollow, and damaged seeds become hollow, and that's why it is lighter in weight. They are not healthy, and they float on the water. Therefore they float on the water. So this is the reason. Sometime question may be asked. That's why you have to underline this. The damaged seeds become hollow and thus lighter in weight, and therefore they float on the water. Okay, underline it. Now see the next paragraph. This is a good method of separating good healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Means before cultivating crops, suppose we need the healthy seeds. So how can we get the healthy seeds? So we can put them into the water, and the seeds which float on the water, we can easily separate it, and the seeds which are healthy, that will be sink in the water. Such type of healthy seeds we can utilize for the cultivation. Okay, now see, before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. So it is given in figure 1.2 A and B. So I will show you. This is the figure 1.2. It is called a seed drill. This is the tool, one of the important tool which is used for sowing the seeds. Okay, and figure 1.2a, this one, this is the traditional method of sowing. You have you seen here the funnel shaped structure is given, so it is connected with the hollow pipe. So farmers, when they were sowing the seeds, So what they were doing, from this funnel they are entering the seeds through this hollow pipe. Seeds will be comes to the ground and will be sown in one row properly. Okay, but now this seed drill is the advanced technology. It is the result of new technology. Okay, and it saves our time also for the sowing. Okay, so we will see now one by one. Traditional tools. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is a shape like a funnel, which is given here that I have shown you. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends, and these ends pierce into the soil, means it goes deeply into the soil and place seeds there. Means from this hollow tube the seeds comes near the ground and it pierces into the soil, means goes deeply into the soil. Okay, now this is the traditional method. Now about the seed drill we will study. This is the diagram, seed drill. So what is seed drill? See, nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of a tractors, means it will be attached with the tractors. These tools sow the seeds uniformly at a proper distances and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This prevents damage caused by birds. Sowing by used a seed drill saves time and labor. Means it will not save only our time and labor work, but by using these seed drills, the seeds which sown, that will be covered by the soil. In this way what will happen? The seeds will be protected from the birds. Now see, the Bujo have one doubt in his mind. There is a nursery near my school. It is found that little plants were kept in small bags. Why are they kept like this? You have seen any nursery where the plants or the small saplings we can purchase? No? Okay, let us see. Seeds of few plants such as a paddy are first grown in a nursery. When they grow into plantlets, means the small plants, saplings, they are transplanted in the field manually. Some forest plants and flowering plants are also grown in the nursery. Understood? So the paddy, the rice crop, earlier what happened? In the beginning, the farmers make the soil ready for the cultivation, but they are not sowing the seed throughout in the field. Okay, so what they are doing, they are using the small portion of their field for cultivating the crops. As the seed after sowing the seeds, when the small plantlet grows, that will be transplanted from one place to another place. Okay, with the help of some laborers. Means the plants, small plantlets, they are transplanted in the field manually, and some forest plants and flowering plants are also grown in the nursery. Okay.